What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another big unboxing for you. These speakers are from Arendal Sound. They are the 1723S line. I've got the Monitor S over there, the Center S, the Surround S, and the 1723 2V subwoofer right here. It's an entire 5.1 setup. Now, if you aren't familiar, Arendal Sound is out of Arendal, Norway. They are a direct-to-consumer manufacturer and they ship worldwide. They offer a 60-day trial period and up to 10-year warranty to give us some peace of mind about the kit that we purchase from them. Now, they have three different lines. The flagship is the 1723. It has their latest design and all of their latest tech. It includes an 8-inch driver in all the cabinets. Now, the 1723S is the same basic design, but smaller with 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers. They also have the 1961 line, which is a different design from the 1723. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact, and a little bit more modern. Now, both the 1723 and 1723S are THX Ultra certified, which means these speakers have been tested and they do meet THX's guidelines for medium to large size rooms. And quite frankly, this is too big for my room, especially the subwoofer. But I'm looking forward to turning this up and just pressurizing my room until I feel like, oh man, my house is gonna fall down. But that's gonna be fun, but I digress. Another thing that I like about Arendal Sound is their naming convention. Right over here, you've got the Monitor. The Monitor is bigger than a bookshelf, but smaller than a tower. So you can use them as main speakers or as surrounds if you want. You've got the Center, which is the center channel, makes sense. The surround channels, that makes sense. And you have the subwoofer. And the subwoofers, there are 4 different subwoofers and they have 4 different names. 1S, 2S, 1V, 2V. The S stands for sealed, the V stands for vented, and then the 1 stands for 1 driver in the cabinet, and the 2 stands for 2 drivers in the cabinet. I've got the 2V, so 2 drivers, vented cabinet. This is the largest subwoofer they have, and quite frankly, this thing is huge. It's 155 pounds shipped. I had my neighbor help me bring it up the stairs. So if this is delivered to your house, well, if any of this is delivered to your house, you really want to make sure you have somebody to help you move this stuff around. The Monitor S is about 60 pounds in the box shipped, while the center channel is like 55 pounds and these are about 45, 50 pounds. So everything is nice and heavy, nice and dense, nice and strong. So I'm looking forward to this. Now, to answer one of your first questions, why do I have, this box configuration? These came to me in 3 different shipments. I believe these came from Norway, while the rest of this came stateside. The subwoofer and is shipped together on a pallet. So again, you want to make sure you are home when this is delivered. Now, I've done enough talking. Let's go ahead and let's get this stuff out of the box. And since this is basically in table size, I'm gonna go ahead and try to unbox this just right here off of this, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do next. But let's go ahead and let's get this unboxing done. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the center channel first. I'm gonna unbox it here and put it on the table. I have it in the white satin finish and I have all the other speakers in the black satin. So we will have an opportunity to see the 2 different surface finishes. But like I said, I'm gonna start with this, then I'll move on to probably the monitors, then the surround, and then I'll worry about this big subwoofer. I gotta see how this thing is gonna unbox. But let's go ahead, let's start with the center and move from there. They come with gloves, which is quite nice. Now, I have my own gloves here, but it's nice that they come with gloves and the feet in this bag. They have these extra bits of cardboard that are nice and stiff surrounding the package, which is actually kind of nice because again, it keeps you from bending the sides of the boxes as well. So again, they've done a good job here. Okay, so this was heavier than I thought, so that's why I had to turn the box over. So yeah, this is gonna be fun to unbox. All of this stuff is really heavy, but we got the speaker in here. I'm gonna pull off the casing on each side, and then we will begin pulling off the bag. So there you have it, the Center S from Arendal. This thing is heavy, it's big, and it looks really good. Looks really, really good. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna move it over here, and I think I'm going to move on to the monitors next. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. These things are big and heavy. All right, now I'm going to unbox the Monitor S. All right, that's the first Monitor S, and obviously you notice black bag, black speaker, white bag, white speaker. Kind of a cool little shipping thing they do there. And again, this looks very, very nice, and it's also heavy, just like everything else. So, you know, that's how it goes. All right, here is the Surround S. Mounting hardware. So this is the back of the Surround. I just want to show this real quick. You've got a pin here so you can mount it on a wall, but down here at the bottom, there's a little notch right here so you can run your speaker wire up through here. And that's just a nice little design cue that I saw as I was turning this over. So just wanted to show that because I think that's pretty cool. All right, now it's time for the big boy, the 2V subwoofer. This thing is insane. I mean, this is basically a box for an end table, but it's just a subwoofer in here. And like I said, it's 155 pounds, so it is extremely heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the top, you know, open the box, and then just try to flip it over and pull the box off and basically just go from there. That's my plan. So we'll see how it works out. Good news is this comes with an unpacking guide, so I'm gonna read that real quick just to make sure I know what I'm doing. All right, this is actually pretty funny. Tells you exactly what to do, and then here at the end it says, number 8, prepare your neighbors for some proper earthquakes. Number 9, plug and pray. I really like that, plug and pray. So I'm looking forward to this, but I'm gonna do these instructions as they say it and take this out of the box. Okay, so here we are with the 2V. This thing is truly massive. It is truly the definition of in-table size subwoofer. I'm keeping the shipping foam on it down here, mainly because it makes it a little bit easier to move around here in my room. But you can see the power amplifier back here. The vent is down here. It's actually still ported right now. I've still got the foam in there. And there is a driver on this side and a driver on this side. This is the, I think, 13.8 inch drivers. And I'll turn it around real quick so you can see that. So that's the driver, and what we have here is the grill. There's a magnetic grill for each side. So there it is right there, and it should just snap into place just like that. And then the front is just the same surface finish as you see all around, but it looks really good. I'm really excited to plug this in. It's gonna be insane in here, but actually let me go ahead and give you just an overview of the speakers in general, and then I'll show you the other speakers as I go. All right, so there you have it, the 1723S line from Arendal Sound. These things are exciting, they're huge, everything about them is big. They did a great job shipping these, not only just having the bags and the color bags, depending on what you get, but also just making sure everything was packed nice and tight. Now, as far as unboxing is concerned, I recommend that you take the top off the box, flip it over, pull the box off, then pull all of the packing material away from the speaker, the way I did with the second Monitor S, because honestly, that's the easiest and fastest way to do it. As far as unboxing the subwoofer is concerned, follow the instructions. Cut the top of the box off, open it up, pull the stuff off the top, open the bag up, pull it down, then put the shipping foam, this little foam right here, back on top, flip it over and pull the box off. That's the easiest and fastest way to do it. Now in the box, you did see it does come with the shipping manual along with the warranty card. It's a 5 or 10-year warranty depending on what it is, so you do need to register for that. And they do have feet that come in the box, but I haven't attached them to the speakers yet. That's why I put the bag on top of the sub and then put this on top of that just to protect the surface finish on both. But like I said, these are massive. They recommend 50 hours of break-in time, so I'm going to do that before I begin critical listening. So my review will be in a week and a half or 2 weeks, something like that. But I am truly looking forward to connecting these up and just basically, you know, sitting back and cracking all of my drywall in my house, just trying to exercise these things for the full review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you want to purchase these, use those links in the description below because it does help support the channel. It tells Arendal that you enjoy these types of videos. Also, hit us up with a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'm going to get to this, so I'll talk to you next time.